Yeah, I tell. Yeah, I give you money. I tell somebody give you money. Yeah, I tell you that you that I tell you you mad. Yeah, tell me talk. No, no. I tell you talk to you. Tell me talk to because I talk to you because you got no problem. You keep money for free, so okay, no problem. I'm going to give you money for free too. Me because talk to free too. Talk to free too. All right. Okay. 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 Yeah, I got and no problem for freeze because little money, 5,000 little money because freeze tell everybody they have dead my family Haley. He crazy. Alright? He live in 3 people for that we got.
No,
Okay. Every time I give you $500, you going to pay for free every time you finish. Okay, that's it. Because no talking about this is crazy for people because last month, yeah, yes, I tell him because I'm not happy for free because I not keep money for everybody. It's not problem for me. I do not problem for me too because I understand for money for free because yes I understand for money for free. You got that problem for me. Me too. I'm much of a shop because okay. He mean us for my family, Haley, because that's not good for me. Okay. Freestyle from my family, Haley. He going to 2 people for the Hamafe because he tell him he dead my family because he's crazy too. Because sometimes somebody he give you 2 people for my family, Haley. Every people family left dead. Everybody for my people, he give me for my family because I don't say before. He go me girl, I give you girl too. Why you them saying?
Yeah.
Time, okay, I tell you exactly. No lie to me because I give me December, I give you 1,000, maybe February, I pay you because pay for a contract, I give you some money because I'm not work now. Because I try to work because December I give you 100, no now. Because I tell you exactly, December I give you $1,000, maybe January, maybe what? January, I pay finish paying contracts. I going to pay fees everybody for money because this is so crazy. Okay, you them some me? Today no have any more money now because December I try $1,000 for him because January for the contract I pay.
Boy. I'm going blank.
Because December no have any more money. Why? No money now. Please.